Hey everyone, this is a trader investor. I just wanted to do a quick recap on the SPYs and the Strat trading strategy. Yesterday I mentioned a couple of things, and did you pay attention to those and did you take action? So in the SPY rally that we are having right now, we're really stopped at the 70% retracement from recent swing high to recent swing low. And in that rally, we're also seeing that we're stopped at the 38.2% retracement of that rally's retracement, which is a good thing. But yesterday I said we formed a double top, which is an area of liquidity, which is an area where a lot of manipulation happens, but not always, right? If something was happening always, then we would all be rich and multimillionaires, but that's not how trading works. Trading comes in some wins, some losses. You just have to average more wins dollar wise than your losses. That's how you make progress. That's how you move forward with your trading success, with your trading goals and your trading business. So when we are having a double top, the possibility of price reversing, even if it's momentary, is always there. And one thing that I said was, because we have a 3-2, and what the Strat says about a 3-2, we'll just review it right here. If you have a 3-2 up, then you can take a 2 down position to targeting the bottom of the 3, right? That's your magnitude. The bottom of the 3 would be your target. So we have a 3 and a 2 up scenario, right? And the reverse happens, but today we're just going to take a look at this. 3, 2 up, 2 down, bearish reversal. Always these positions, there's no guarantee, but these positions, we take them as they come and we put our stops very tight and we exit when we see a signal. So 3, 2 up, as soon as we broke the 2 down, we go short. But this is tricky today. It's tricky today because so you can combine these for the 2 up from yesterday's move, but today we open very, very low, right? So we gapped down and opened below the high of yesterday. Now we're targeting the low of yesterday. That's our target, and it looks like we're heading that way, right? We're precipitating in that direction because some news came out that by July we might have a full point interest rate hike. So as soon as that news came out, boom, boom, we started to go down. So at the open, no entry. If you're brave, you can take it to the upside to close this gap. I say brave because I don't want you to gamble, right? Everything has to have a plan, and you have to set that plan in motion. So there was, a possibility of a play to the upside once we started to break the 38%, the 50%, 68%, right, and so on. So once we started to break that, there was a possibility of an upside. But if we stick to the broader goal of the 3-2 up, 2 down, so the 2 down is at the break of yesterday's low, right? This is the break. So we open much lower, but when price closes this gap, fails to break the high of yesterday again, right? This 70% on the daily basis seems to be pretty strong. And just so you know, what I'm talking about, that 70% is this retracement, right? Swing high to low. At that 70% line, we're stalling 1, 2, 3 times. We're stalling 3 times. That's what I'm talking about, right? So just keep that in mind. So we stalled first last week, Wednesday, then again yesterday, exactly a week later, and again today. So when you have this, and now on the way back down, you break the low of yesterday, that's an entry. right? You don't have to be the first to enter at the break of the 7:30 Pacific time bar, but when the next bar fails to make a higher high and it starts to go down, you can take it right there. The second time you take that entry. Or if when it fails to make a high, right, higher than the first entry bar, if it fails to make a high, as soon as price reverses from that high, even a little bit higher, you can take it, but at least you can take the low of this trade, targeting the low of Tuesday. That's our 3 move, right? That's what we are targeting, is this big move up. That's what we are targeting. So this 3 to this 2 up, so we're targeting this low here. That's our target, right? 3, 2, 1. So when you go to the hourly, you don't clearly see it, right? You don't clearly see it when you're targeting that. However, this is the setup, this is the entry, you take it. Now be cautious, don't let your profits disappear. Start taking some profits, because as soon as we closed this gap that was left yesterday morning, right, a second time, we had closed it a second time, just be mindful of your position, right? So just a quick recap: 3, 2, 2, and 3. 3, 2 up, 2 down entry, targeting the bottom of the 3, but be cautious and start to take some positions off along the way. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.